Hi, this is Annette and Phil at Fleet Authority, and Phil's working on a Ford Explorer today.
Okay. Hi. This truck has a problem. It has a really annoying whistle or alarm bell when the transmission is not in park and you turn the key off. Well, this has a bad switch in it, so it doesn't know that it's actually in park, so this continues. So you're gonna have to bring
This
the camera
beeping
in,
continues.
and you can see the dash. See, it says, there you go, right there. Transmission not in park.
However, it actually is.
It actually is. So to get rid of this annoying problem, there's an updated harness. This is the old one. I've already installed the new one, but I'll show you. This is the actual micro switch that the shift lever touches and tells the computer that it's in park. And this switch has gone bad. See,
And this is a common problem in these Fords?
This is a common problem. Ford Explorers, Ford Edge. See the little button? It's blue. I don't know if you how clear you are.
Yep, can see it.
And the little lever pushes on it.
And that disengages this annoying beep.
So now that I have a new one in, you can watch this go out.
Hold on.
There.
Can you do it again?
Yes, I can.
So you go to start the car.
Now you go to park the car. And you put it in park. And you turn the key off. And it says transmission not in park.
Okay.
And it's pretty annoying. You shut the door and lock the car and it goes away. But when you get back in it, it's back to dinging. So now with the new switch in, when I put it in park, it knows it's in park and the light goes out.
Cool. Okay.
So here's the old part. It's a 3-wire. See, 1, 2, 3.
Right.
And I'm going to take your camera and I've installed the new part down.
Okay, so Phil's going to take the camera.
I have the camera, dangerous stuff. Alright, there's the shifter. It's a little boot. And down inside is the switch. I'm going to put my finger on it, maybe. Right there. It's the new one. 2 wires. And it connects to the harness all down inside.
I thought it was a 3-wire switch, though.
The original's 3-wire, the update is 2. Apparently it doesn't need the 3rd wire for whatever change Ford has made. So it's completely eliminated. It's all the 3rd wire. It's all wired in here. It's all happy. And I'll put all the console back together.
Here's the console that you pulled out.
Here's the console all out. This person has a nice stock of masks for this COVID. And that's it. So when I put this back together, it should be all set to go, minus the annoying ding.
Okay. If you like this video,
Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. We'll send you new videos.